They're all running around like crazy. There's Tough holding one little Rhode Island red girl, but she's not acting right. I think she might have got smashed in the box, but they all got their beaks dipped and got their first drink of water, and they got their Grow Gel on their food, and as you can tell, they're eating like crazy. Pretty cute little suckers. Yeah, they're hungry. I hope that one makes it. Is it eating? They're all...
No.
It's not eating. It drank, and it can't stand up and walk right. We are not sure what's wrong with it. So that's what they look like. The yellow ones are Buff Rocks. The brownish red ones are Rhode Island Reds. Then we have Barred Rocks, which I think are these mostly black ones. And then the ones with the black and silver are the Silver Laced Wyandottes. So this is what little baby chickens, there they are, having a feeding frenzy. Yeah, they sure do move fast. I think that one's a Silver Laced Wyandotte. I think this one is a Barred Rock. Buff Rocks and Reds. I think they like their new home. And this poor little girl, I'm not sure what's wrong with her. She hatched on Friday, looked like. And Buddy is not much interested. He went in the other room. Running around the block. Poor thing. She wants to walk, she just can't walk. Okay, we'll show you some more later. Like crazy.